it's Miss Emily here. Thanks for joining me for another fun science video. Today we are going to blow up this balloon, but we're not going to do it with the air from our mouths. Instead, we're going to use baking soda and vinegar. All we need for this experiment is a balloon, baking soda, vinegar, a water bottle, and a funnel, and a measuring cup as well. So the first step is to measure out 1/3 of a cup of baking soda and to put it in the balloon. And the funnel is going to help us put the baking soda in the balloon without making a huge mess. As always though, I do have a towel down underneath my experiment just to help with cleanup. So I'm going to put the funnel in the balloon, I'm going to measure out the baking soda, and then I'm going to put that in the balloon. Now sometimes even with the funnel, the baking soda can have a little bit of trouble getting to the balloon. So you can shake the funnel to help agitate the baking soda and help it fall down. I also have the end of a paintbrush that I can kind of help plop it down through the funnel. So the next step is to clean out the funnel and the measuring cup. Or if you have two sets, if you have another funnel, another measuring cup, you can place this one aside and grab those. I'm just going to clean these out. You want to get all of the baking soda out from both so that they are clean and ready to reuse. So now that my measuring cup and my funnel are clean, I put the funnel in the water bottle and we are going to measure out a cup of vinegar and put that into the water bottle. Let it settle at the bottom. Now that that's measured, we're going to take the funnel off of the water bottle and we're going to place the balloon on top. Now because of the baking soda in the balloon, it's going to sort of fall to one side, and that's okay for right now, and you'll see why in just a moment. So we're going to stretch the top of that balloon over the water bottle, make sure it's nice and secure on all ends so you don't have any spillage. Now for the fun part. So what we're going to do next is we're going to take the balloon, pour all that baking soda into the water bottle and see what happens. Are you ready? Bring it closer to you guys. So as you can see, the balloon inflates. And that is a surefire way to inflate a balloon without using any air. And the reason that this works is that the vinegar and the baking soda create an acid-base reaction. And when they work together to create a gas called carbon dioxide. Now gas spreads out and takes up a lot of room. So as the baking soda and vinegar combine more, that gas has to go somewhere. It doesn't have enough space in the water bottle. So it goes into the only other available option, which is the balloon. What I just did was a demonstration. I took something that we knew to be true and I showed you how it works. But there are ways that you can make this more of an experiment at home to see how different variables change what happens. One way to do this is to see if the temperature of the vinegar affects how much the balloon expands. So if you put the vinegar in the freezer or the refrigerator, or if you heat it up and then combine it with the baking soda, does that change how much the balloon fills up? Another way to experiment is to change the size of the water bottle or the plastic bottle. I think it's a 1 liter. What if you use a smaller personal water bottle or a 2 liter like a soda can? How does that impact how much the balloon fills up? And then a final way that you could experiment with this at home is change the amount of baking soda or vinegar that you combine. Now with everything with experiments, be very careful because we don't know what's going to happen. So keep safety in mind and have a grown-up on hand to monitor these things. So I hope you had fun learning about a way to inflate a balloon without any air. I certainly did. I didn't know about this way before. And thank you so much for joining me. I hope you're doing well. I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.